Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 60% of 10 minus 10. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. As we know, x percent will be equal to x over 100. So here we have 60%. 60% according to this formula can be written as 60 over 100. Of means multiply, so times 10 minus 10. Okay, and now we can simplify this. 60 divided by 10 equals 6, and 100 divided by 10 equals 10. And now we can easily cancel this 10 and this 10. So we have here 6 minus 10, which equals negative 4. So our final answer to this problem is just negative 4.